So, electronic free time. You need to add electronic free time blocks to your day. So, if you're someone that now goes out of the house, I mean, I know a lot of people still have to go to work, and so they may not have any problems with this. But when you're someone that works from home or you have a lot of free time and all you're doing is on your phone, checking your emails, texting people, you've got to give yourself um it drains your time because you could just be on there. Well, let me check if I got any notifications from Facebook. And before you know it, 30 minutes has passed and it doesn't it doesn't there's nothing cognitive about the scroll, okay? There's nothing. It numbs your mind. It makes you oblivious to